Creating an augmented reality QR code in Uniqode is surprisingly simple if you know the right steps. But is Uniqode actually the best tool for AR QR codes? Stick around, because by the end, not only will you know exactly how to create one, but I'll also share an exclusive, extended free trial for a better alternative that makes this process even easier. First, log into Uniqode and go to your dashboard. Click Create QR Code, then select AR Experience. This is what makes the QR code launch augmented reality when scanned. But here's where it gets tricky. Unicode requires you to host your AR content separately, meaning you'll need a public URL for your 3D model or interactive experience. If you don't have one, you'll need to use an external service, which can be frustrating. Next, upload or paste the link to your AR file. Unicode supports GLB and USDZ formats, which work well for mobile AR. But one downside? There's limited customization. You can change the design of the QR code itself, but the AR experience is mostly locked to what you upload. If you want interactive elements or branding beyond just a 3D model, Unicode isn't the best option. Then, customize the QR code. You can change the color, add a logo, or adjust the frame, which is great for branding. But here's something to note. Unicode's advanced customization options are only available on paid plans. The free version is very restrictive, so if you need full control, you'll have to upgrade. After that, generate and test your QR code. Scan it with the phone to make sure the AR loads correctly. If the experience isn't loading, it's likely due to file hosting issues, something that can be a real headache since Unicode doesn't offer built-in hosting. Now, Unicode is a solid choice if you already have an AR experience built and just need a way to share it. But if you're looking for something with built-in hosting, interactive AR elements, or an easier setup, there are better options. That's why we've put together an exclusive, extended free trial for a more powerful alternative that not only lets you create AR QR codes faster, but also gives you more customization and control without the hosting hassle. Check the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only through us. And if Unicode isn't quite right for your needs, we've also added some great alternatives that might be a better fit. Try them out and let us know which one works best for you.